Mawuleni wabukela ekhaya igama lami ngu-MK and welcome to another episode ye-Leadership Insight. Namhlanje niphethe uBhuti Siphamandla uGrand Recruitment.
Ishap wethu Green kanjani?
Grand nami. Mina ndiyakwazi from emagaming. Qhela ukukubona emagaming siyaringa na ku WhatsApp and I see isipano esiphushayo na ku-organization yakho. Yet abantu abaninzi abasibhekelele today abayazi ukuba ngaba ungubani, ubuya phi, ufunde phi kanjani. So bengicela usinikeze i-background nyana ngawe ukuba ngaba ungubani.
Mina igama uSiphamandla isibongo kaHlatshwayo. Ngibuya eDavidton 1520 Vutha. Ngumfanyana nje omncane odrive passion.
Okay.
La ngibuya khona ngibuya eGabon eDavidton. Ila engikhulele khona la ngithole khona lento le.
Okay.
Kusho ukuthi ngiba umfana nje omncane okhulayo adlala ibhola around khona le ndawo bathi kuseGabon, which is next to iKrizane. I was playing for a team ebathi Gabon Survivors.
Okay.
Yeah. From there mangilokho manje ngidlala ngiba umuntu obona ucoach awumuntu lokho amgqugquzela yabo izinto ezingalezo ukuthi ngumuntu onepotential yokuthi one of the good days nami ngaba leader but ngibe umuntu ongayinaki leyo nto.
Okay.
Because naseteamini mangilokho ngidlala ngintwana encane ngiba umuntu oba yicaptain kuboma under 15 nginabo ma 10 years. So because of umntwana man ngingayinaki leyo nto ngithatha izifana noma necaptain ukuthi ngimele ngilide team yabo into ezinjengalezo.
Okay.
Ngingayinaki kube into manje lokho ihambi lokho iyakhula nase-Skela la bengifunda khona e-primary le route masidlala i-tournament eBuildix under 13 naseteamini mangifika esikoleni yimi umuntu oleader iSkela. Kusho ukuthi kuba ileyo nto leyo ukuthi nje la ngifika khona mangilokho ngihamba la ngifika khona ngiba umuntu oleadayo yabo.
Yes.
Until ize ivela seyivela manje njengoba sengaka.
Yeah.
Ukuthi noma nayo kusho ukuthi lento le into engizalwe nayo into engiyiphiwa abantu bakithi.
Okay.
That's why namanje ngumuntu oleader.
So it got to a point. I mean, it got to a point where you started sports academy and also your responsibility of organizing annual tournaments. Take me through the idea layer, but okay, you know what? From yonke lento leadership that I see in me, I've then decided, but okay, let me get into esports ngale mena yokuthi I am going to start the organization and then ndenze academy. Take me through leya process leya.
Kusho ukuthi kuze ifike la ukuthi gcina sekuba khona intwana ezincane engizicoachayo.
Yes.
Into eyenzakalayo ngithi mangibuye eKasi ngoba ngibe umuntu obe nenhlanhla. Angeke ngithi ngizoba umuntu obeka equality player because of ngidlale nabantu abaningi abe ba good than mina.
Okay.
But ngaba naleyo nhlanhla leyo plus ne support from ifamily yami. Ngaba umuntu ohambayo udlala kubuma academy. Bengidlala eSoweto Pinville Zone 3. There was an academy there bathi Khanya Mzansi from KZN. Ngadlala kuleyo academy ngidlale for a year. Then after lapho ngaya kwi Jomo Cosmos for assessment. Lucky enough ngithime 2 days. Then ngasayina ku Jomo Cosmos ngidlala ku development yakhona.
Okay.
Kushuthi mangilokho ngidlala ku development I played about 2 seasons ku development. Lucky enough must preparela I future champ. It was 2017. It's preparela I future champ sadlala I friendly game ne senior team.
Okay.
Tswepa ke uPraje wangibona lapho ngaya kwi assessment ye senior ngadlala ke senior. So intwana zivela kanjani eteamini? It's because of ngiba umuntu othi makasekasi ngiyadlala nabajida. Lapho iCF Astana besasene senior team kuphela.
Okay.
Mangilokho ngidlala nabajida mangisekasi kuba khona intwana ezithu man Hotman yazicela ukuthi mawukhona ufree sijime nawe nani yabo. Okay ngibe lo muntu vele ukuthi ngumuntu vele othanda abantwana yabo. Cha kuna stress bajida mangikhona ngekho busy nganext ngizon invite asijimeni. Mangizishayela ama extra session wami. Ngizibiza intwana. Mangizibiza intwana noma ngiyabona le ntwana zine potential zingadlala nanathi. Beside JH ukuthi zina ngakhi ini ngiyazibona ukuthi zinayo lento leyazi ngasinika something. so kuba ilento leyo ngi-invite intwana ezithu ngithi bachita no man ngiphethe intwana ezithu la ngifuna siz-assesseni.
Okay, so was inviter from Ijomo or?
No, intwana zasekasi
Zasekasi,
sengivalile le ngisekasi.
Okay, sure.
Is invite le intwana lezi masilokho sidlala la tournament esadlalayo nabajita bazinikeze lawo ma 10 minutes intwana nababe impressed abajita mababa impressed igcina kuba ukuthi intwana vele sesidlala nazo ezinye zazo sihambile nazo Pral sidlalile bezikhona nalezo intwana engikhuluma ngazo zamazama tournament Orlando bezikhona le intwana engikhuluma ngazo Paris Free State sidlala ama tournament bezilokho zikhona nazo Nkangala masilokho sidlala nje bezilokho zikhona. So into eyenzakalayo le intwana lezi zithu shuthi mazilokho sidlala nathi ku-inspire ka ezinye ezincane kunalezi ezikhona ezisondelile.
Sure.
Sekugcina ku-end up ukuthi manje sekumele kube khona i-division eyintwana encane ngoba manje seziza ngobuningi akusasi ku2 3 kuvela intwana ezibo my 10 man Khotman man yazi siyabona abobani bani sebayadlala and bebalokho bajima nawe sicela ukuthi man ma available usijimise.
Okay.
Ngithi no bajitayi akusinkinga leyo mina mangikhona sizojima bafethu shuthi ke ithwe bike kuvela intwana eteamini kwaba ne under 15 ngaleyo ndlela leyo.
Okay. Kune academy and then kube ne football club yabo umsebenzi usimila umsebenzi niuyenzayo because one on a football club and then omnye uthi une academy umehluko yintoni between the two?
Into engayisho mina umehluko la I think umehluko it's about ukuthi kuma academy most of ama academy mina engwabonile noma engwaziyo.
Sure.
Into yenza ukuthi kube khona umehluko between ama academy nama football clubs. Kuma football clubs sikhuluma kakhulu ngama team awasekasi local teams.
Okay.
Abanye kuyenzeka ama team angadlali nane league.
Okay.
So kubo ma academy la kunama monthly fees.
Okay.
Whereby each and every month kunento ekumele ama player ibhadale. It's because of amanye badlala bo ma academy league Johannesburg kanjalo amanye ama academy badlala bo ma GDL stream B amanye akhona nakubo ma stream A.
Okay.
So kubo ma football club kakhulu it's based on local things kakhulu vele sidila ngelocal bo ma LFA whereby kumele uzibone ukuthi wena wenza kanjani team ukuthi ifunction.
Yeah.
Which is difficult.
So between ama leagues lawo of which are exposed kakhulu kuma academy and then kube nganalama kasi games adlalwayo of which are attendwa kakhulu ngama football clubs, which one do you think it develop a player kakhulu between ama kasi games and ama academy?
Lapho kuphendula lo mbuzo lo it's very simple. Abantu abashaya isipani abantu abasekazi. Abantu abasekazi babashaya isipani ama player afika kulama academy lawa ama player vele sewama ready made. Whereby labo bantu abayenza izinto eziningi eplaying, they only apply ama tactics wabo kuphela ema playing.
So that is why ama academy amaninzi they go and scout ama players ekasi.
That's why beza lapha bafuna equality.
Ku academy yakho you groom your players from scratch or now you go and scout?
Mina angisumuntu olo ohambayo scout.
Sure.
Because of njengoba bengishilo nasekuqaleni ukuthi lento bengithathe kancane ngingayiboni.
Sure.
Ukuthi like I'm a leader.
Mina
ama player wami ngaqala at an early age. Namanje ngineintwana ezinabo ma 5-6 years.
Already
zikhona ngiyazijimisa seziya understand ukuthi konje kumele ngitrap ngiphase yabo, which is mina ngomuntu ozenzelayo.
That's dope.
Namanje la ku senior team yami lebe ngidlala ngayo 95% ama player ayenzwe yimi, which is nabo badlalile LFA kimi.
Okay. So what does leadership like mean to you in context ye community sports development?
Leadership enye into enzima kakhulu, indlela engayichaza ngayo leadership enye into enzima because along the way kuba khona abantu ababa jealous yabo, but banganayo leyo nto leyo.
Sure.
Because ukuleader like it's not like ukuthi into ya wonke umuntu. Kuna something esuke special about loyo muntu loyo oyileader ngaleso sikhathi leso.
Ngaleso sikhathi, okay.
Because of noma bangathi manje decide ukuthi siqala something. Angeke like ukuthi sithi maybe like siqala i-business. Angeke sonke siyilide.
Okay.
We need someone o special ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi angakwazi ukuthi asilide. Then thina silandele yena.
Okay. So kwi sports academy yakho yintoni i-commission yayo, and what kind of impact are you aiming to make kwimpilo zabantu abakwi community yakho?
Mina into engayisho eKaSlam, into engifuna ukuyenza eKaSlam, I just wanna bring hope. Lento mangikhula mina bengekho.
Okay.
I wanna bring hope kule intwana ezincane ezisekasi. Lezi ezibona ngathi zona kuyafana mangidlala ibhola ngidlalela ama tournament nani.
Sure.
Ngifuna ukubona some of my players la engiwagrumile nanama player angadlali kimi, but ana something yokuthi angafika lapha ya. Ngifuna ukubona ngwa-assistile ngiwabukele lapha ya.
Okay.
That's the thing nje ngifuna ukuyiletha around my community, hope.
Okay. So you are running nama tournaments as well. Njengoba bewutshilo ukuthi you have ama annual tournaments that you are doing. Contributor i-development enjani kubantu abatsha khona la kwi community yakho?
Ama tournament lawa engiwahosta annually aya assist around the community.
Sure.
Aya assist because of lapha kusuke kuhlangene ama teams amaningi from different areas, which is create ama business opportunities. Kuba khona abantu abakwazi ukuzithengisela izinto nabo bakwazi ukuthi mabafika endlini babeke something kudliwe endlini.
Yeah.
At the same time kuma players wanikeza I platform, because kuneyintwana I think 2 years back kule tournament ebengihostile.
Sure.
Kuneyintwana ezi end up ezithola ama teams ku GDL. Abanye badlala iStream A, abanye badlala iStream B, abanye bebadlala ku Napoli yase Bedfordview. Okay. Which is some of those players akusema player adlalela mina, because nginabantu abangasistayo ukuthi kuselectwe boma play of the tournament, yabo best defender, goalkeeper of the tournament. Then after I tournament enye into esizama ukuyenza, after I tournament we try ukuthi sihlanganise isquad esalama player lawo esicabanga ukuthi agood. Then we challenge ama friendly games nama team njengabo School of Excellence, Skhukhune, DDC, abo Pirates.
Yeah.
So that some of those players they can get opportunities ukuthi ba showcase a talent lab at the bigger stage.
No. Okay. Now this is like very interesting. Let's take a break from informality and have fun kancane ne. Now, reason why I want us to have this fun, it's because I need you to identify for me the top 5 yama best players that you know. Doesn't have to be players that are playing for your academy yakho. Obviously, sometimes they are grounding, even if you're going to support amanyama tournaments when you so free. Now, we are born players, and because you have an eye for player grand, obviously you do scout up, and then you see good time on. You play so from a team so good. So now this is an opportunity to make that player ubangaba my shine and is shine through it. Yeah. So ngicela ukunikeze abe 5 nje player, not more, not less, just 5.
Before ngizokunikeza ama player 5 ne. Kunenteka so.
Sure.
It's just that mina ngomunye umuntu opilivela kwenye indlela yokudlala, yabo.
Okay.
Shuthi abantu engizoba select abantu abadlala lento le mina ngipilivela kuyo.
Exactly.
Not to say abanye abekho good enough.
Yeah. And obviously those players, we are also recommending them to other people. Ukuthi mfethu, there's something that I see ku player so. Could you also now nje ubheke? Yeah. So that's what we are trying to do.
Okay, ngizoqala ngithi number 1 wami.
Sure.
Number 1 wami kuzoba uTso
Zombie.
Zombie. currently udlalela ebathini bona
Okay.
bekadlala kuyisicathulo saka Medem
Okay.
Yeah.
Ufaka ujezi number 1 no.
ugqoka number 9 yeah number
Okay.
9 if I'm not mistaken
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yini special ngaye? So far.
Utso it's a very special player. It's a very special player. It pits ukuthi abantu abakamboni towards his full potential.
Okay.
Basabona lento abayibonayo but nabo bayabona because ngiyabona abantu abaningi bayampraise.
Okay.
But akakabanikezi lento le mina engiyazi yanayo
Okay.
which is usazoyikhipha.
Ukudi kuphi groundini?
Utso ukudi kuma 1-on-1.
Okay.
Ukuskina nje idefender 1-on-1 ukudi umuntu odlalela ukuye boxing at the same time uyakwazi nokujabulisa abantu
Sure.
which is into ebalekile i-team iyawina nabantu ba happy
Nabantu ba happy at the same time. Okay, that's player number 1.
Player number 2 ngizoya ngintwana encane nje i 10-19 this year.
Okay.
It's Nash Komane.
Nash Komane. Okay.
bayibiza ngohora currently idlala kuzidlamlilo
Okay.
idlalela izidlamlilo ezasethembisa le ntwana leya ayikho like into enganayo
Okay.
mama sikhuluma ngama winger ayikho into enganayo le ntwana like eshoda ngayo uyakora amagoli uyacreator uyamarka uyadrebula makumele adrebule
Yeah.
for age yakhe I think umachot kakhulu.
So if ever udlali winger, he's also able ukuthi ayohlasela epalini.
Too much.
So is he specializing ku left wing or ku right wing?
Ukwazi ukudlala both wings. Left,
yeah.
right.
Yeah. Okay. Ufaka ujezi number 1.
Ugqoka number 10. Ugqoka number 10 lapha yakuzidlamlilo.
Yeah, one number 10 masunikezwa lela jezi leya.
And enye into ngaye untwana ne umuntu okhuliswa yimi.
Sure.
Not because of ngimpraise because of ukhuliswa yimi. Nabanye ababukela ama games wakhe. They can attest kulento engikhuluma ngayo.
Ne.
Bakhona baningi bayamazi.
Now, here's a trick kule part when you mention a player either elikhuliswa uwe or a player elikudlalayo like elikudlalelayo akusilo lo player eliphansi kwakho yabo. Now if ever you are going to pick that one out of layer 30 something from team yakho, it's going to create conflict esingayazi ukuthi sizoyisolve kanjani because obviously one would think ukuthi wena coach ukuthi thina usiboni u-identify umjita kuphela instead of maybe seeing it ngelamehlo lokuba okay ukuthi now there's a role model ekhona are amongst us, so I need to work hard for me to be as good as a player so that now I can be identified. We don't know ukuthi bazoyibheka kanjani, so to avoid layer conflict layer mele shift away from team yakho, from ama players that you are grooming, so that bazohlala ba accommodated and then look outside. I tell you, ayekho conflict ezovela when you are identifying a player outside, even if kuleyo team leyo uphike lona leyi-1 like akuna conflict ezovela.
Yeah,
Okay.
ninjalo.
So player number 3.
Player number 3
Sure.
kuzoba uFreeze.
Okay.
Currently udlala ku MDC ye TS Galaxy.
Okay.
Ubuya ku Iresa yase Davidson amajubjub.
Okay. Unxiba ujezi number 1.
Number 6.
Number 6. Yina good guy.
Le ntwana le igudi kakhulu. Umuntu udlala centrally uprotect ama defender abawaboni simple. Akukho simple ukuthi ama defender ahlala mark because of ugudi in terms of I marking ukuthi aba protect.
Yeah.
And uya maintain position.
Sure.
Uya understand ukuthi lapha yini into efuneka lapha.
Okay.
That's why if abantu bebalokho bayilandela lentwana naku le squad se Carling All Stars beyikhona.
Okay.
That shows ukuthi I play good. Coming from lo grassroots level
Yeah, yeah.
and ukuthi umuntu ozokwazi ukukhuthaza nale intwana lezi ezinye ezincane ezizayo
Sure,
sibone ukuthi
sure.
no man lento ipossible lo muntu lo manje bekadlala la emabuya awu manje nangu lapha so for mina nayo intwana egood and enye into eyenza ukuthi ngikhethe lentwana le off the pitch indlela ebehavior ngayo iye enye ngichaza kakhulu.
Okay, you need discipline ne.
Too much.
Okay.
Too much.
Okay. Are we going to iplayer lokugcina or it's the fourth one?
LS4 man.
LS4. Okay, sure.
Iplayer LS4 engizolukhetha manje Popo intwana ka 2 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah. Le ntwana le quality bengilokho ngibona abanye abantu balokho baba nama negative comments kuma social media about yena untwana,
Sure.
which is mina I tend to differ from bona njengoba ngishilo ukuthi ama player ngakhetha la ama player asutha I style of play mina lesi engisithanda,
Usithandayo. Okay. Okay.
which is abantu abaningi babheka kakhulu iside elingekho sharp according to bona. Angisho abantu abaningi bayi criticize showboating,
Okay.
while mina ngicriticize mina ngiyayithanda as a coach. I believe ukuthi intwana mele yenze le yanto leya.
Okay.
Kunabanye abantu mawuba restricta ukuthi bayenze le yanto anyeke ubabona ukuthi bagood kangakanani.
Kangakanani.
So if umuntu alawa umnikeza le yanto ukuthi no mantwana yenze lento, if you feel like ngathi ungayenza yenze,
just do it.
yeah.
Mfethu.
The only thing just wena kumele uyenze entwaneni ukuthi add izinto ezibalekile ukuthi no ntwana angithi mina ungayenza ngirestrict. If ubelievela ukuthi wena kumele ushaya amadolo ukuze ungene egame it's okay, but izinto engazifuna ngifuna back pass from leyo after leyo nto yakhe ngifuna back pass.
Okay.
Angifuna uluze ibhola.
Yeah, ibhola
ngifuna siye
mayiqhubekele
forward
phambili. Sure.
into ebalekile leyo, so which is mina mangiyibheka lentwana uPopo lezi zinto engizibalayo iyazenza
Ibhola liyachubeka.
and uyakwazi ukuya forward.
Okay.
Uya create ama goal scoring opportunity.
Yeah.
Na at the same time uyakora,
Ibhola.
which is angiyiboni into engathi bayibonayo laba abanye negative ngaye.
Ushaya ujezi number 1.
Ushaya number 10 ku Katoras Juventus.
Okay. Okay. Bekadlalile yesemhlolo.
Udlalile
la.
kuma qualifier we Champ of Champs.
Yeah.
Yeah, udlalile.
I think I
Ukorena
shot
ne
the
corner to kick.
Yo,
Uye
lo bethe le yakhona la yavele yongena straight.
Yeah.
Yo.
Uye lo shaya corner to goal.
Big up mfethu. No, I think bendiyishutile le game le, but then I haven't uploaded it. Mara bendiyishutile igame yakhona. Yo elinhlanyisile la penalty le. Yo, that was sick mfethu. Yo. Like, do you practice le way le or mhlambi ngumoya? Mhlambi ivuthelwe ngumoya manje yangena la bhola la.
No, yazi ezinye izinto zinjani.
Sure.
Noma singayekela like le yakhona to go like orili. Sisi check like ama passes wakhe
ne.
Yes.
Yeah.
Like uyabona mawubheka intwana ene technique.
Okay.
Sibeka indlela umuntu aphasa ngayo akhahlela ngayo ibhola noma shaya epalini yabo.
Yeah.
Ubone ukuthi no lo muntu lo i specialist sama set piece.
Umjita ayibhoza ila penalty there. Like, I've been asking myself ngubani lo mjita lo, and I knew by eventually sizofika la. I think I should have this guy kayisho with bafethu, please get me this guy. Bangabani yamazi uthi ngu uPopo udlalela iKatoras Juventus ne.
Sure.
Hayi ndiyamdinga including icoach lakhe.
Yeah.
So that was the fourth one. Okay, asingene kuplayer lokugcina.
Iplayer lokugcina uSibusiso Mqoyane.
Okay.
Buda. Currently udlala ku Bathini bona. Naye bengadlalela isicathulo sikaMede.
Okay.
Yeah. No man ayilela Hotman leli man yazi umuntu othi makase groundini uba se groundini ufocus e groundini.
Sure.
Indaba zokudlala azikho ukunikeza like 100. And for umuntu oku level yakhe I think intwana zingafunda izinto eziningi kuyi.
Ushaya ujezi number 1.
Ushaya number 66 ku Bathini bona.
Okay.
Yeah, currently ushaya number 66 ku Bathini bona. I'm not sure ukuthi udlalile nala the ground ngoba bebadlala Sunday against the Vultures.
Okay.
Yeah, Mandela Hotman man yazi umuntu olo onikezana nge100 each and every time makadlala se groundini unikeza amajidi 100.
Yeah.
And for umuntu ex professional player odlale nasethimini enkulu kangaka Orlando Pirates PSL who was captain amajita lento lena man bekumele ngabe neintwana zifunda something okukhulu kuye akusumuntu ozitshelayo umuntu ophansi
yeah
ospanayo makase groundini I think iyindlela yokuthi akhuthaze ngayo abajita nami ngifisa ngathi bangafunda izinto eziningi kuye
no okay no ndiyabulela bra. So those were the players. Now let us drive to ama coaches. 5 best coaches ozaziyo so far that you can recommend to any team, be it ngucoach vele coach team lakhe vele ongangeke ayosipanyela enye team, it's fine, but then if ever yamazi ukuthi coach so they are good, cela uze nabo.
Number one wami mina ngizothi ulo u2 minutes.
2 minutes, okay.
Yeah, ucoacha iKatoras Juventus.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, u number 1 uJita. Into yenza ukuthi for mina side lama be number 1 is because of uwenza lento le ngibelievela kuyo.
Okay.
Which is unikeza intwana encane I platform yokuthi showcase italent yazo.
Okay.
Which is into enhle leyo ngoba intwana lezi man intwana like ezincane azikhulisile nakho manje udlala ngazo kuma senior team and leyo nto leyo iyambhadala nakho ziyawina intwana.
Sure.
Which is into sharp nangapha ubuya ku LFA uthola promotion udlala SAB league structured igaya intwana ihope leyo nto leyo.
Yeah.
They stand a good chance ukuthi futhi bangaqhubeka baze badlala neABC Mutsipe, which is into ekhuthaza nalezi ezinye ezincane ezisakhula ukuthi no man yazi ukudlalela team ene structure kuletha ithemba.
Okay. Okay, smart le coach. Okay. Okay, number 2.
Number 2 wami kuzoba uVoroso.
Okay.
Coach Voroso wasethwathwa, coach amaBerete. Yeah, coach Voroso is a good coach, that guy. Is a good coach.
Okay.
And uhambule unomoya phansi. And le into eveza lokho ukuthi is a good coach is stats esama player.
Sure.
Awa developile aze afika ku professional level.
Okay.
Yeah, he once said intwana ezi3 if I'm not mistaken ebezi representa under 17 eSouth Africa. Ebezibuya ezandleni zakhe.
Okay.
Ezinye zalezo intwana bezidlala ezi2 bezidlala ku Pirates, A1 bebuya ku SuperSport ye-Striker. Igcine seyidlala ku Kaizer Chiefs.
Okay.
Which is ama player bengwa lokho ngwalandela nami ngwa tracker awakhe i2 agcina adlala iPSL. 1 uPromise Mkhuma, currently manje use Northern Cape kwa Big Ten City. Then kunenye intwana abathu Jabu uMatsiyo, nickname yayo Khama.
Okay.
If abantu bebalokho balandela ama games eSuperSport kontwana beqoku number 22 lapha ya idlala as a right winger.
Okay.
Nayo leyo ntwana le ibuya kuye.
Okay. So nayo ngomnye producer ama professional players.
Omunye wabo coach engimbonayo ukuthi no lento ayenzayo ayayazi.
Okay. OS3.
OS3 ngizokhetha ucoach owase Kaslami la ngibuya khona vele straight Chief Albert Lithuli.
Okay.
Kune out lapha yana ebathi uSilo Mkwena. Unawuthi bathi uSilo Mkwena icoach team abayibiza ngeMilano United.
Okay.
Yeah, Uchita is a good coach. Yeah, umuntu ona ma division I3 which is under 11, 13 ne under 15.
Okay.
Umchita naye umuntu ophushayo because currently manje uneyintwana ezifew ezidlala ku Jomo Cosmos GDL Stream A, then unaneyintwana ezinye ezifew ezidlala ku School of Excellence. Which is shows ukuthi uJita uyaspana naye kanzima.
Okay.
And intwana zakhe zidlala ibhola elihle kakhulu. Mawubukela ama teams amaningi la kulento zabo ma under 11, 13, 15 abo coach abaningi bapilivela kulento ukuthi at least mangaba nomuntu oyi1 umude phambili oyi1 emuva umude then bashaya ibhola liye phambili kulomunye agijima kore.
Yeah.
But yena indlela adlala ngayihlukile kunabo coach abaningi. that's why ngikwazi ukumkhetha naye ukuthi he's one of the best coaches.
Sure. Okay. Yeah, okay. Okay, number 4.
Number 4, coach number 4 ngizokhetha coach Kugza from Soweto.
Sure.
Ucoacha Kugza United. Yeah, ucoach even though ngingabukelanga ama game wakhe amaningi.
Sure.
Ngimbonile kuyilinda Mtambo under 15.
Okay.
Last year edition. Ngimbone khona ucoach ukuthi no man, ucoach is a good coach. Indlela intwana zakhe ezidlala ngayo for age group ya under 15.
Yeah.
Design intwana lezi ya no. They were matured for their age group.
Okay.
Zibeka ibhola phansi design intwana lezi. Ziyalikhulumisa.
Yeah.
And ukubonisa ukuthi no tactically naye ugood because bekadlala against another good team from eKaslami, Davidson All Stars.
Okay.
And they end up by winner the game leyo, if I'm not mistaken, ngathiwa I winner 2-1, which was semi-finals.
Sure.
Wa progressa waya ku final.
Okay. And then the last one.
Yeah, last coach kuzoba Mzeke from Davidson, coach of Davidson All Stars.
Okay.
Yeah, uye engivala ngaye. Uchita naye omunye umuntu ophushayo. Uyaphusha ugudi kwi coaching. Ubona nane style of play asidlalayo Uchita. Intwana zakhe ziya understanda into ekumele ziyenze mase groundini.
Okay.
Currently manje ucoacha ibathini bona. To shows ukuthi is one of the good coaches around iKasi. Usuka from kwi development yeintwana kunabantu abambonayo ukuthi no man une potential akeza azosicoachela isenior team yethu.
Sure.
Lokho kubonisa ukuthi umuntu naye osazi istory sakhe.
Okay. Danke coach. So akhona majita ayenza commentary owaziyo.
At the moment. Next.
Asikaka keep. Okay. So ndiyava because kwi academy yakho most yabantwana that are under you basasesesigela.
Sure. Intwana vele ezigame most yazo vele ziyageleza.
Yeah. So how do you then balance education yabo uba ngaba baqhubeka kakuhle esikolweni and still perform their best kuwe grounding?
Into eyenzakalayo lapho ukubalansa isikole nebhola.
Sure.
During nje normal school days ngaka prepare for ama exam. Si trainer ngay 3 a week.
Okay.
Le 2 days le ukuthi bakwazi ukuphusha izinto zesikele.
Zesikele.
So currently manje njengoba sebabhala ama exams, we only train twice a week, which is Wednesday and Thursday.
Okay.
So that baba na 3 days ukuthi banake izinto zesikele.
Okay.
But kulonyaka lo ngize ne program before bazobhala 2 months before bazobhala ama exam. Besenza i-revision, which is lamalanga lawa besihlangana nabajita kwenziwe i-revision. I think bekuyindlela yokuthi kuba simple for bona ukuthi bangabuzana ezinye izinto abangakwazi ukuzibuza esigela because of basaba ini but makazobuza umuntu adlala naye kuba simple. Iyo enye indlela ebengicabanga ukuthi leyo izo assista ukuthi amajita akwazi ukuphasa esigela.
Okay. So uke wadibana nesimo where you find a player liyabhayiziseka esigela mara 100% kayiye gaming.
Yeah, leso simo leso sikhona namanje nje into ekhona.
Yeah, and how do you deal nama situations anjalo in making sure kuba abayilose track esikolweni njengoba be fully focused nangaba?
Lucky enough abajita mina nginokubatshela ukuthi bafethu ninenhlanhla ngoba izinto eziningi.
Yeah.
Ngizibonile mina ngami.
Sure.
Hayi ukuthi ngitshele ubani ukuthi athi in. I know ukuthi if ufocus ebholeni kuphela ulose ifocus esigela. Ama chances maningi ukuthi uend up ungabanga sharp empilweni. It's because of ugijimise le one oyigijimisile. And inama chances ukuthi ingahlala ingaphumeleli iphumelele.
Yeah.
So bayingaphumelelanga usana backup plan. So iskela uyasidinga ukuthi uziphathe ze-2.
Yeah.
Ngoba ibhola it's a short career. After ukudlala you need ukuthi ube na something ozophila ngayo.
Ngapha ubethwe injury ngapha.
So uyayibona into kanjalo.
Okay. So kwi community obuya kuyo ne injani relationship between wena ne community? Do you feel or do you think ukuthi community does support isipano senzayo?
Lapho kuza kulelo point lelo angeke ngithi bayasupport ispanning senzayo.
Okay.
Angeke ngithi bayasupporta because of noma siphuma siyodlala lawo ma friendly games nalawo ma team esinokudlala nawo ma development teams.
Yeah.
Ayikho like into engathi bayi investor eteamini.
Okay.
But I think I reason ukuthi banga invest uyazi mani into umuntu omnyama makangangayiboni kahle owangakakholwa ukuthi yenzeka akafuni ukufaka isandla.
Mara you do approach kubo cela isandla apho nalapho.
Ngumuntu oyayo kuma local businesses lawa khona and angisumuntu othi makaye kubo ngiyokhuluma ngomlomo ukuthi hey ngizocela in.
Yeah.
Ngiyayenza i-paperwork then ngimtshele ukuthi if ufuna ngi-explain whatever ekhona lapho kuleyo paperwork ngingakwazi ukuthi ngi-explainele yona kahle ngikwenzele i-presentation wena ungangitshela ukuthi ngibuye nini.
Yeah.
But at the moment bekungakabi na any luck.
Okay. So ngawaphi ama challenges oyudibane nawo in getting i-community ama parents kunye nama local leaders bangaba babe involved kuma programs wakho?
Okwamanje into engicabanga ukuthi i-challenge kakhulu.
Sure.
Ukuthi ikasi leli mina engibuya kulo ne Chief Luthuli la eCloverton ephase 3 ikasi elincane which is manje sigcine sesenzani wonke umuntu ekasi ufuna ukuvula i-team yabo.
Oh yeah.
Iyo enye into engicabanga ukuthi iyashaya towards abantu abaku community ukuthi mangisupporta lo ayikuzoba ngathi laba ngibafuni ngithanda lo. That's why at the same time mangakatholi support from community angibagxeki.
Okay.
Ngoba nami kuyimi nje ngiyi-one nge-neutral ngingasumuntu one-team ngibheka ngifike endaweni encane njengaleya inama team ayi-5 kungaba difficult for mina ukuthi ngithi ngizosupport abani ngeke ba
investor kuphi uyeke kuphi. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Inkinga. Okay, inkinga. I was coming for a community nama leaders wakhona but then because you were saying ama team maningi. So you end up not knowing bangaba support iphi kanjani. But then i-organization yakho, is it registered?
Yes, organization it's registered as a NPC. It's a non-profit company.
Okay.
Yes.
Are you applying for ama fundings, ama sponsors and stuff?
I've been applying for ama sponsor nama fundings. Ngilokho ngiyazama, ngiyafaka la kuvela khona nje ipace ngiyafaka. Nakule National Lotto being applyile.
Yeah.
But uyazi ezinye zezinto kusuke kuyisikhathi ziyangisikhathi ngendlela yami engibelieve ngayo ukuthi yonke into inesikhathi sayo. Futhi makungakabi isikhathi sami ngizolinde
sakho for as long you are applying though. Okay. So ngawaphi ama programs ekumele siwalindele kuwe azayo this year?
This year into ekhona okwamanje kuneshow ngayo ezoyenzeka. It's a tournament which is izodlala during school holidays ngo October.
Okay.
From 6 October to 11 October. It's a camp tournament ama division I5 which is under 11, 13, 15, 17 and under 19.
Okay.
Yeah, izobe yenzeka eSasol Ground Cloverton.
So for one ukuba ngaba azofika la, what is it ekumele bayenzile? Wonke player li invited or
lapha kule tournament le engihosta this year lapha I only allow teams with my SAFA card.
Okay.
Angifuni ama team azodlala ngama copy certificate amakhadi waseclinic
Yeah.
because with my experience my previous tournament bengiba nama challenge of which ayingihlali kahle ngisomuntu obelievela ku edge cheating.
Okay.
So iba bhlungu kimi mangizobona I tournament yama under 11 iwinwa abantwana obabonayo na ukuthi no laba badala banabo ma 14 15
15.
even though they can
Yeah.
produce lawo ma copy ama certificate but uyabona ukuthi badala.
Okay.
So using my SAFA card will minimize the age cheating because my SAFA card yakhona utrackeka.
Okay.
Singakwazi ukuthi sicheck ukuthi si verify ukuthi eyakho na as a player.
As a player or combine. Okay. So where does one get yona le MySAFA card?
Ukuthola my SAFA card you need to be registered with your local LFAs. It doesn't mean ukuthi kuzobe ne SAFA card mele uzudlala league.
Sure.
Uyakwazi ukubhadala i-registration registration fee abayifunayo kuleyo LFA yakho, then from lapho uzokhipha imali for each and every player oyiregister.
Okay.
Then so name SAFA card
Okay.
uyakwazi ke ukudlala from lapho.
No get the one. So akhona ama beside is ama revisions towards ama exams. Akhona amanye ama programs that you offer ebantwaneni bakho in terms of education development.
Okwamanje bengaka offer next okwamanje.
Okay.
But 2 years back benginokukhipha i-stationery because benginomuntu obekangisupporta ongithengela lezo zinto lezo benginokumtshela ukuthi ngiyazidinga.
Okay.
Keep i-stationery nginikeza abantwana.
Sure.
Even namanje ngiphezwe plan elokuthi ngifuna ukwenza ukuthi abantwana around community not abantwana ukuthi abadlala ibhola abadlalela mina.
Sure.
Ngifuna ukuthi around the community yonke as a whole abantwana abaya ezikoleni siyazi ama situation awafani. Abantwana ekseni mabaya ezikoleni badlule lapha endlini la ngihlala khona bathole at least leyo 3 slices yesinkwa tiye baye esikoleni. Abanye mababuya esikoleni at least sopo papa leyo nyama cabbage in
Yeah.
izoyenza umehluko.
Izoyenza
So into engisebenzela phezukwayo leyo ngidinga abantu nje abangakwazi ukuthi bangisponsor then ngikwazi ukwenza lento le ngiyibona iba impumelelo.
Do you approach ama shops that are surrounding the area yakho, like ama shop amakhulu, like ama retails for support?
Bengike ngaya Roots around Cloverdale nase Shoprite Cloverdale ngaya Spa
Yeah.
Crystal Park.
Yes.
But okwamanje bengakabi na something ebambekayo but bona into ebangitshele yona ukuthi bazoyenza isikhathi if babona ukuthi izinto ziyayenzeka bazobuyela back.
Bazobuyela back. Okay. Ikhona enye into that you think ubangaba we are leaving out mhlambe that you would like for people abasibukela babayazi?
Enye into engathi ngifuna bayazi ikhona.
Sure.
Ikhona.
Wasanazi.
Yeah. Before ngiphuma into engathanda ukuyisho ebantwini ukuthi mawumuntu man whatever la ukhona or whatever le obusy ngayo yenzayo ungazinyezi ungazibukeli phansi ungacabanga ukuthi angeke iphumelele nalabo abanama ideas abasafuna ukwenza something.
Yeah.
Abangacabanga ukuthi hayi mina ngoba mhlawumbe isituation yami nje angeke ngikwazi ukuyenza. Ayikho into engenzeki. Yes vele kuzoba khona labo bantu abazokucikela phansi abazokutshela ukuthi hayi wena awunani angeke uyenze into enje ifuna izinto ezinje nani but mawungaqali angeke wazi ukuthi ucapable ukuthi wenzeni.
Okay.
Yonke into ifuna ukuthi uqale uzokwazi ukubona ukuthi no ngingakwazi ukuqhubeka na oyangeke ayile yangidlula but ungaqalanga uzobona kanjani.
Yabona.
So ile into engithanda ukuyisho ukuthi abantu whatever idea or ideas onazo ocabanga ukuthi ufuna ukuqala into enjanjani go for it.
Yeah.
Iyo into engashintsha impilo yakho le wena lokhu usaba ukuthi uyenze.
Yeah ne and stop with the fear ukuthi abantu bazothini and stuff. yabo.
Yeah, ile yonto leyo ke engikhulumela phezulu kwayo.
So that is it from us bafethu. Ngicela ningalibali ukusubscribe, ningalibali ukucomment, nimbuze imibuzo. I'm going to invite him kwakhona for the session so that he can respond to ama questions that you guys have, and ngizomthumelela naye link, and obviously whenever you guys are asking ama questions uzowabona naye, and then if ever he can respond right there uzokhona ukuphendula.
Hayi injalo.
Hayi coach lami ndiyabulela kakhulu for
Ngibonga mina mfethu.
Thank you
Ciao, ciao.
coach.